This 2024 CrossRoads Zinger ZR 290kb is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by CrossRoads RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 11, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, slide out, stovetop burner, skylight, air conditioning, microwave, LP detector, smoke detector, TV antenna, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 CrossRoads Zinger ZR 290kb is 6,779 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to CrossRoads RV.